The best time to set a positive intention for your day is when you are first starting it. Listen to this short positive intentions track to get your day started off with all of the good vibes. Allow yourself to slow down and to be mindful for the next few moments so you can really feel and absorb this positive messaging. I hope you enjoy. Let's begin. Today is a good day. Today, I am grateful. Today, I am setting the intention to be happy. Today, I am choosing happiness. Today, I am choosing to take care of my body and my mind. Today, I am making the conscious effort to make room for more fun in my life. Today, I am living in the present moment. Today, I am filling my mind with good thoughts. Today, I am choosing to be positive. Today, I am taking care of my body. Today, I am choosing to smile. Today, I am choosing to laugh. Today, I am choosing love for myself and love for others. Today, I am feeding my mind with knowledge. Today, I am choosing to make decisions based on what makes me feel happy. Today, I am feeding my mind with positive thoughts. Today, I am choosing to honor and respect my feelings. Today, I am appreciating everything good that I have in my life. Today, I am creating the 2.0 version of me. Today, I am living my 2.0. Thank you for joining me today for this short positive intention meditation. I am wishing you a very happy and positive day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more inspirational, motivational, and positive content to help you on your journey to becoming your 2.0. I'll see you next time.